In this episode, we are going to solve and find the derivative of the following trig functions. So straight away, let's see what we have. From the A part, it says find the derivative of y equal 5 sine x minus 4 tan x. So here we are going to apply derivative to all the terms. So dy dx should be equal to now derivative of 5 sine x on what? Dx minus derivative of 4 tan x on dx. So this is equal to 5 sine x. 5 is a constant. So we can bring it out, say derivative of sine x and dx. Minus, we can also bring the 4 out and we can say derivative of tan x with respect to dx. Are we okay? Now, in derivative of trig functions, if we differentiate sine x, we are going to get a positive cos x, right? So this is going to be 5 multiplying the derivative of sine x, that is going to be positive cos x, minus we have our 4 multiplying the derivative of tan x, that is sec x, or sec square x, so that is sec square x this way. So meaning our derivative dy on dx for the equation is going to be 5 cos x minus we have 4 sec square x. Are we okay? Get the derivative of each of the tan functions in your head. So we differentiate sine to get a cos. We differentiate a cos to get a negative sine. And we differentiate sine or the tan to get sec square x. Are we okay? Now let's look at the B. The B says we should find the derivative of y equal 8 sec x minus 5 cos x. So if I apply my derivative to the y, the x should be equal to the derivative of 8 sec x dx minus 5 the derivative of cos x dx. So the same thing, the 8 is a constant, so I'll bring it out, multiplying derivative of sec x with respect to x minus 5 is also a constant out, multiplying derivative of cos x with respect to what? Dx. Now this is going to be equal to 8 multiplying the derivative of sec x, that is going to be sec x tan x. So this is the derivative of sec x, which is sec x tan x minus 5. Now the derivative of cos x, that is going to be negative sine x. So right from here we can say the derivative is 8 sec x tan x. Now negative and negative plus 5 sine x. So this is the derivative of the B function. Now let's look at the C. The C is also saying y is equal to cot x minus 7 secant x. Are we okay? Or cosec x. And this is what we are going to arrive at. So I'll apply derivative to the y dx minus derivative of 2 cot x dx minus 7 cosec x. So the derivative should come. So I can apply it here. D on dx. Surely I'm getting dy on dx to be equal to 2 as a constant will come out cot x is inside with respect to x. Minus 7 will come out multiplying cosec x on the x. This is going to be 2 multiplying the derivative for cot x. That is going to be negative cosec square x. Mostly if you are going to differentiate a trig function that starts with c, you're going to always get a negative. That's why if we differentiate a cos x, we are getting negative of what? Sine. It starts with a c. The same way, differentiating cot x is giving us negative cosec square what? X. Very good. Then minus 7. Now, another c is here. The derivative for cosec x is going to also give us negative cosec x cot x. These are all constant derivatives that you have to get them in your head so that once you see them, you know their derivative. You can use the first principle to derive all this so that you can just get the understanding. So if you want to simplify this, this is going to give us negative 2 cosec square x, then negative and negative plus 7 cosec x plus cot x. Are we okay? So this is the derivative of the c function. I hope it's clear. Alright, so this is the derivative for the various functions. Kindly subscribe to the channel and see you in the next episode.